Hello YouTube, Johnny here. I'm very excited because today I start series of videos about building a project management tool from scratch. I'm going to walk you through all the essential steps of building digital products. In the first module we are going to design our application. We are going to use Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop. I'm going to design logo, I'm going to talk about UX, I'm going to design the application itself. In the second module we are going to build a prototype. I'm not going to use any prototyping tools, just plain HTML and CSS. And then I'm going to reuse the code in the third module, development. What I'm going to do is split that code to create independent React components and structure React application. I'm also going to use Redux, Node.js and more. Then we are going to test and deploy our application. So if you accept the challenge, let's get to work.